Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you are new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I will be unboxing my gift from Babylost. So let's just get right to it. So when you create a registry through Babylost, they send you a box after you qualify by doing certain things. It's not hard at all. You just need to add a couple things to your registry and that's it. And they send it completely free. So this is the box. And I did open up the bottom just so I didn't have to bring the scissors in here, but I haven't opened it yet. Okay, so this is how I received it. It's a little bit teared, but I promise I haven't opened it. The box says, "Parenthood is a trip. We're thrilled to take this ride with you." So I think that's cute. So let's see what I got in here. So right on top there is a little like pamphlet. I'm guessing this is like guidelines, yeah, on how to create a nice registry. This has a couple of recommendations for you to add to your registry. Oh, I actually do have that swaddle blanket. It's by Little Unicorn. What are the odds? Okay, and then it has a little card that says, "Today I got my Hello Baby box from Babylost." And on the other side it says, "Today I felt the baby kicked for the first time." That's super cute. And then I have a little packet of Lancino breast pads and storage bags. It has 2 disposable nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags. And it has a pack of these cards. It says that we are registered at Babylost, and then on the back it says, "To raise a child, it takes a village. Thanks for being part of ours." That's cute. And it's easy to hand out if you are having a baby shower. You can add this in the invitations, and that's really nice. And then I have another one of these Pampers pouches. This includes a size newborn diaper and a pack of, I think, 6 wipes, and also a couple of coupons. So this is nice to have. I already have 2, but what the heck, I have 3 now. And this is a sample of Boob Ease nipple cream. This is actually the one that I did purchase already, so I think I'll add this to my hospital bag. Or my diaper bag. It's just nice to have little samples just in case you forget the actual one. And I haven't tried this, but I'm looking forward to trying it because I've seen really good reviews on it. Oh, this is nice. And then I have a bunch of like travel size Cetaphil Baby. I used this brand when I was pregnant with my twins because I developed a rash and I was getting worse with every single moisturizer. So this was the safest bet and it really did calm it down. So I'm thinking it will be nice for the baby if she has sensitive skin. And this includes a wash and shampoo, a daily lotion, moisturizing oil, and a little tiny diaper cream. In the back, I have 2 samples of Daily Advanced Lotion Ultra Hydrating and Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So this is nice, really, really nice. And they included a $25 off a purchase of 100 or more at Tiny Tags. I've seen this on Instagram, and I was actually on this site this past week checking out the little bar ones to see if I can get one with my 3 kids' names. I think that's really cute. Okay, I have honestly never seen this bottle before. It is by Boone and it's called Nourish. It kind of reminds me of those Playtex bottles that you add the little bag, but it's made out of silicone. So this is the bottle. It's nice and wide. Obviously the lid comes off and you get this little silicone bottle and it goes into like this hard plastic. So I'm guessing as you squeeze you let out air, which is really cool. I'm excited about this. Out of all the things that I have been getting in this box, this is probably my favorite item. Okay, and the last item is by Lucy Darlings. They also offered a 10% off code. It is, oh, that's so cute. And this is the alphabet. Very, very cute. I don't know what I would do with this really, but it's super cute. And that's everything that I got in my Babylost welcome box or Hello Baby box. I think I would still say that my favorites are the ones from Amazon and Target, but this is really nice. I especially love the little bottle because I think it's always nice when you get new items that you haven't heard of before. The pack of Hello Baby is really nice to have. I will probably be adding this into our baby's hospital bag. I love travel size things. I don't know why. What is it about travel size things? Is it just me? And you really can't go wrong with a little pamper registry gift. I hope that you enjoyed this or found this useful at all. And if you did, I would love it if you give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button before you go. And if you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.